Hey, what's up everyone? Today I have a 1977 Honda Trail 125. From what I have researched, this is very rare to find in the USA. They only made this bike for 1 year, primarily in Australia, but the US Forest Service placed a pretty large order, so some of the US Forest Service in the US have used these bikes. 1 year only. This is a non-restored original bike. Starts on the first kick, runs, drives, really nice. Pretty cool looking if you like old school. 2,651 miles. All original. It's not electric start, it's just a kick start. We put a new battery in it. So if you're looking for a cool old school little go about motorcycle, this may be what you're looking for. No, we do not take trades. No, we do not finance. No, you can't test drive it. If you're interested, send us an email or give us a call. There's my info. Thanks for watching.